This time down, Carlson handles the countdown as the launch vehicle begins to build up. We're now hitting the 4-minute mark. 4 minutes and counting. We are go for Apollo 11. We'll go on an automatic sequence starting at 3 minutes and 7 seconds.
The engines that generate that thrust have a combined horsepower equal to 543 jet fighter planes. Their launch vehicle there weighs as much as the submarine Nautilus. They burn 5,662,000 pounds of fuel, the equivalent of 98 railroad tank cars of it, the capacity of a small town's water tank. Liftoff, the noise reaches 120 decibels and has been compared to 8 million hi-fi sets playing at once.
Neil Armstrong reported back when he received the good wishes. Thank you very much. We know it will be a good flight. Firing command coming in now. We are on the automatic sequence. We're approaching the 3-minute mark in the count. T-minus 3 minutes and counting. T-minus 3. We are go with all elements of the mission at this time. We're on an automatic sequence as the master computer supervises hundreds of events occurring over these last few minutes. T-minus 2 minutes, 45 seconds and counting. The members of the launch team here in the control center monitoring a number of what we call red line values. These are tolerances we don't want to go above and below in temperatures and pressures. They're standing by to call out any deviations from our plans. 2 minutes, 30 seconds and counting. We're still go on Apollo 11 at this time. The vehicle starting to pressurize as far as the propellant tanks are concerned, and all is still go as we monitor our status for it. 2 minutes, 10 seconds and counting. The target for the Apollo 11 astronauts, the moon at liftoff, will be at a distance of 218,096 miles away. We just passed the 2-minute mark in the countdown. T-minus 1 minute, 54 seconds and counting. Our status board indicates that the oxidizer tanks in the second and third stages now have pressurized. We continue to build up pressure in all 3 stages here at the last minute to prepare it for liftoff. T-minus 1 minute, 35 seconds on the Apollo mission, the flight to land the first men on the moon. All indications coming in to the control center at this time indicate we are go. 1 minute, 25 seconds and counting. Our status board indicates the third stage completely pressurized. 80-second mark has now been passed. We'll go on full internal power at the 50-second mark in the countdown. Guidance system goes on internal at 17 seconds, leading up to the ignition sequence at 8.9 seconds. We're approaching the 60-second mark on the Apollo 11 mission. T-minus 60 seconds and counting. We passed T-minus 60. 55 seconds and counting. Neil Armstrong just reported back. It's been a real smooth countdown. We passed the 50-second mark. Power transfer is complete. We're on internal power with the launch vehicle at this time. 40 seconds away from the Apollo 11 liftoff.
You can see the water deluge beginning in there now.
Pressurized. 35 seconds and counting. We are still go with Apollo 11. 30 seconds and counting. Astronauts report it feels good. T-minus 25 seconds. 20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy, it looks good, Wally.
Somebody must be leaving the arm.
Building shaking. We're getting that buffeting we've become used to. What a moment. Man on the way to the moon.
trajectory so far, doesn't it, Willie?
Very good, very good.
That's
Beautiful. Downrange 1 mile, altitude 4 miles now.
Disappeared in the sun there, too. It's a lot.
Velocity 2,195 feet per second.
Everything fell into place.
Still see it?
Yes, indeed.
Red line is lit.
Oh, there we're starting the contract now.
See it beautifully.
No difference.
See it beautifully on the
Everything just go right.
on the screen here.
We're through the region of maximum dynamic pressure now.
Yeah, everything looks good here. We're at 1350 in the start bar.
8 miles downrange.
I'm not
12
sure whether on the
miles
fan
high.
or looking at it on the screen or looking at it out the
4,000
window.
feet per second.
Stand by for mode 1, Charlie. Mark, mode 1, Charlie. 1, Charlie.
Cliff Charlesworth taking a staging status.
This is Houston, you are go for staging.
That's for the that's for dropping the first stage, going to the second stage power.
Inboard cutoff.
Inboard engines out.
Come inboard cutoff.
You're hearing from the capsule communicator, astronaut Ken Mattingly at Mission Control in Houston, talking to the astronaut.
Downrange 35 miles, 30 miles high. Standing by for the outboard engine cut down now.
And this is reporting, this is Jack Riley reporting, the voice of Mission Control.
There we go.
Staging.
Beautiful.
And ignition.
Each of these events are very interesting to us.
11 Houston, thrust is go. All engines, you're looking good. Hi, Roger, you're loud and clear, Houston.
At 3 minutes, downrange 70 miles, 43 miles high, velocity 1,300 feet per second.
We got skirt step. Roger, we confirm skirt step.
Should have had the launch escape citizen
Roger, tower.
Neil Armstrong confirming both the engine skirt separation and the launch escape tower
There
separation.
we go.
Houston, be advised, the visual is go today. This is Houston, Roger, out.
What was that?
The visual simulation is going.
Yeah, they gave me a window to look out.
You won't, he can't hear you.
What they're
11
describing
Houston,
is
your guidance is converged. You're looking good.
the boost protective cover comes off and the windows are then
Downrange
clear to look for
140
it.
miles, altitude 62 miles, velocity 10,300 feet per second.